Daily Sudoku practice continues. Hello everyone, welcome. Today, yes, it's a weekend. The last weekend of the year, December the 28th, 2024. Let me show you the puzzle page. Saturday, December the 28th, 2024. We have here two regular puzzles. The medium Sudoku is back. Yes, last week we have no medium Sudoku, and we have the jigsaw. No, the samurai Sudoku. Yeah, samurai Sudoku, and yeah, the samurai Sudoku. Let me clear the lens. Samurai Sudoku. I need more than an hour to solve. We have here a puzzle page, 6 extra puzzles. Let me show you. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. 2 stars, 4 stars, killer Sudoku, 2 jigsaw Sudokus, no, 2 binaries, 1 with 3 stars, 1 with 4 stars, and 1 jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic. And yeah, I'm glad it's back. Last week we have no additional, but this weekend, 7 extra puzzles. The letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 star Sudoku. I have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. Yes, a lot of puzzles for this weekend. And let me start with the regular puzzle. The binary. No, the medium Sudoku. Medium Sudoku number 9803. And zoom this. 9803. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. That's a lot. 27 should be a 1 star. Because for a 3 stars puzzle, usually it has 25, and for a 3 stars puzzle we need 20 to 30 minutes. Well, I don't think we need 20 minutes to solve. I think it's a 1 star puzzle faster than 15 minutes. All right, let's get started. Is this a 1 star or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know, we'll see. So let's get started. 5 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 6, 6. Okay, need a 5. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle, the second row, the only place level of 5 should be there. I need 8 there. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places level 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places level 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places level 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 8. Then 4 missing numbers now in this row. One of the missing number is a 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. The 1 in this row could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1. Need a 7 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row, both on that row. Only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, or there. We have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there. 2 in the first column, no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so in the row between the middle row. The only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column between the middle column. And the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here, or there. We have a 2 in the second row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used. I can't see digit number 2. Okay, and now 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place left for the 4 is should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left for 4 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column. 4 in the second column, so the first column. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4. Cannot continue with the 4 now. You need to wait. Okay. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the third row. No 9 in these 3 boxes. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 9 in the last column. 9 in that column. So the column between the only place left for the 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this row should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the column between the only place left for 5 should be there. 1 box left now in this column for number 1. 1, okay. Then 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row, so the third row, the only place left for 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in the middle row for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Then 3. Let me see. In the 6 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 in these 2 boxes. We have 6 in the second column, so no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the 5, we have a 6 now in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 5 goes there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column, so the first column, the only place left for the 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below, so the last row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left now in this column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 6, the 7 is missing here. Then let me see. We have all the 5s, and all the 5s are used. I can't see. Yeah, digit number 3 and 5. How about the 6s? And all the 6s are used. I can't see. Digit number 4, number 6. Then 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes in there. Two missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1 and 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 7 in the last row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Then two missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing, the 2, 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 4 it should be there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 now in the third row. No 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 5, number 4. Then let me see. One box left now in the last row for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing here. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only place left 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column, so the fifth column, the only place left 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 6, number 9. So 3 missing numbers here. The 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1, 3, 7. Okay. 1, 3, 7. We have a 7, so the 1 and 3 are left. We have a 1 here, so this should be a 1. This should be the 3. 1 box left in this box. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 2 missing numbers. 1, 2, 3, and the 7 are missing. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be, and a 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and the 3. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 3 goes there. 1 digit left in this mix row. 1, 3, or 7. We have a 1 and a 3 here. This should be a 7. And the final 2 numbers, we have a 7 here, so the 1 and the 3 are left. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. We solve it again. Faster than 50 minutes should be at 0 stars. I'm faster than 14, 30 minutes. So, well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in the evening with other 4 puzzles in the puzzle page. Until then, bye-bye for now. And have a great and fantastic Saturday.